You guys liked our last in-car from the Summer Oval series, so we're bringing it back for our indoor carpet oval. Hey, Cor here, Canadian RC guy. Well, we got something a little bit different. We've done one video before of it, and we figured we'd bring it back again. We've got some in-car camera of our mudboss racing from our previous racing from our indoor carpet series presented by ProVantage Sports and Hobbies. This week we've got it strapped on for our qualifying races, and in our next video, it's going to be on for our feature race. We're going to try next time we're out racing to get it strapped on as some sprint cars, maybe an SR10, maybe even those big block mud bosses. But let's get to some in-car action. So here we go for our qualifying race. She's a bit of a rough one, but man, it's fun. We're going to throw on some music, enjoy the action. And wham, right there, we got thrown into the wall. Time to go do a quick fix. And we're on our way back. Well, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed that little bit of racing there. And obviously, you've heard me say it before in the last video, man, we really got to work on our setup. So if you have any ideas, we'd love to hear from you. Drop it down in the comments. And like I said in the beginning, we're going to be back with our feature race for an in-car coming up next. That'll be in another couple of days, I think, is when it drops. And let me know in the comments maybe too if you want to see something else. We can get this strapped up to a sprint car, SR10, maybe those big blocks. Maybe we can even figure out how to get it strapped to a NASCAR. And as you can see on the table, we got ourselves a new late model body. So we're going to be working on that. Not sure if we'll get it up for the winter racing or if we're going to be waiting until we hit the dirt. And make sure if you want to see this and all our other content, we got crawler content coming up real soon. Of course, we got some snowmobile build coming up. Lots of other stuff. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, ring that bell so you get all the new content. And if you really want to help out the channel, you can join as a member. It starts at just $3.99 a month. You get shorts, posts, all sorts of stuff just for being a member. So thank you so much. We'll see you again next time with some more in-car action.